everybody. Nice to see you.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel, davella'svlog. And today we're gonna go to the vet for dog. We're gonna check up this beautiful baby here. Oh, my darling. I'm gonna comb your hair. He's excited. Yes, you. Yeah, you ride the car. You ride the car today.
You got your coat?
Yep. Easy, buddy. Easy. Go.
You need to get in and flip your seat up a little higher.
You want me to get in?
I want you to get in, yes. This side. And put your seat up a little bit. There you go.
There's the boy. Be careful, buddy. He's gonna go to the vet because he's not feeling good. And his foot is sore, I think. This is my big buddy. My big buddy pet. He's excited with riding the car. We're almost there, buddy. Pacqman. Sit, buddy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Yes. You like the air? Oh my god. He's a big dog. He's the fat one, German Shepherd.
Yep, we're here.
We're here, buddy.
Easy,
Hey, easy.
easy,
Easy, bud.
easy.
Be careful, your foot. Yes. It's okay, baby.
Easy, easy.
Yes, there's the dog. There's the boy.
There you
Go, go, go. Go, it's cold.
Yeah. No. Sit.
No. Sit.
Pick up that tack and stick it in the wood. That'll create a big problem for her. Okay. Hi.
Hold in.
Okay, so let's get a weight real quick.
Go, go, go. Go, go.
Oh, I knew there was a routine. Right up there. Right up there.
Come on.
Wait, it's up here.
Oh, it's not up and over.
Here, buddy.
Go, go, go.
Come here. Come. Up. Good. Sit.
Good boy. Good boy. Up and weight about 107, okay?
He's up.
This morning. Saturdays usually are.
Mm-hmm.
You must be having an ice storm or something goofy like that.
I know.
He's very excited. And then he wants to go home. He need to go up there, honey, in the table.
No, he's not getting up there.
Probably not.
Either me or the doctor have the inclination to lift him up that high. And he don't want to be there.
No.
You're just too big. Oh, no way. No way. No way.
Yes, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. It's a good boy out there.
Wow.
So he's done for doctor. He needs somebody help for carrying him to the table. So I don't have time to filming him how the doctor do it. Poor dog.
You okay?
Done. Yes, I'm okay, honey. He's heavy, right?
Yes. What, 107 pounds?
No, when you're carrying to the table.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's 107 pounds. He's heavy. So he has what's known as hip dysplasia, which is very common for a German Shepherd. So, just means he's gonna, hopefully the pain meds will take the edge off of it. You okay, buddy?
Pacman, I think he's tired now. You ready to go home?
All stressed out.
He's scared also. He's shaking.
Yeah. Ganged up on him 4-1.
He's scared. The doctor. You scared of the doctor, baby? So guys, we're home. And the dog is he's not scared anymore. He's been shaking a lot.